My mission is to teach the world to listen. And really listening is the thread that connects us. Listening isn't only relevant to playing music or being a musician. Listening really is our daily medicine. My name is Evelyn Glennie and I'm a musician, and my speciality is solo percussion. For years I have collected instruments from all over the world, and with my hearing impairment from the age of 8, it's meant that I've really had to connect with sound in a very different way. So my body becomes like a resonating chamber, almost like a huge ear. Well, we can all feel vibration through our bodies. It's just whether we pay attention to it or not. And this wonderful instrument called a hyperstellar saxophone, waterphone, quite a mouthful, is incredible because it's a metallic instrument, but it gives a wonderful vibration in the different ways that you can strike this instrument. But also you can see the sound, so you can really see the prongs moving after the strike. So I'll just show how this happens. Now, the prongs will keep moving for a long, long time, but meanwhile, believe it or not, you will still be feeling the sound through the hand. The wonderful thing about percussion, of course, is that you can share it with a newborn baby or someone who is taking their last breath. So here, there's just bells from all different places. And again, just looking at the materials, you know, from bone china to crystal, to glass, to brass, to wood. And of course, we relate bells with so many different occasions, you know, from birth to death. We celebrate with bells. We often remember through the use of bells. You know, bells are just so incredibly universal. Well, the vibration of a bell can absolutely vary because you're dependent on the size of the bell, how it's hung, what you're striking the bell with. I mean, if I pick this bell here, this is called an elephant bell. So it has a little round clapper in there, but look at these prongs here. So you're not going to just shake this bell in a normal way as I would perhaps. This one, the action is going round. So not much feeling comes from that one that I've just picked up. You feel as though the sound is coming from different directions, and it's literally, you know, you're paying attention to the sound through your face as well as through the hand. Whenever you're holding something, inevitably something will come through the hand there. So this isn't a sound that you're going to necessarily feel with your feet or your legs or your thighs or something. It's all in the upper part of the body. The further up I come with the bell, and the closer it comes to my face, Well, I've given so many performances over the years, usually about 100 performances a year. It's just been fascinating travelling around the world, and that's certainly one of the ways where I've managed to collect part of the instrument collection here. So It's important for me to really project these instruments to the general public so that they become familiar with a marimba or a vibraphone or timpani and drum kit and all sorts of things like that. So I love that part of my job. It's not just promoting the repertoire, but it's the wonderment of percussion.